636 Michelline Lane in Northbrook, District 27. This glorious 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a finished basement is over 2,700 square feet plus the basement, and it has something for everyone. Come on in, I'll give you a tour. Can you see yourself entertaining in this glorious kitchen? It's got granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and it opens to the eat-in area and on your way out to the backyard. Not a speck of work to do in this house. Everything is move-in ready. It's a beautiful family home. Come and check it out. Down to this newly finished basement. It's got beautiful floors, lots of lighting, and tons of room for everybody. If you've been waiting for a District 27 home, 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, then here's your chance. Come on over, call me for a sneak peek.